Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making pumpkin whoopie pies. I know, like your mind is blown. Whoopie pies typically have 2 chocolate soft cookies and then an inner layer of confectioner sugar and cream cheese. Well, we're not messing with that inner layer of that filling, but the cake cookies themselves will be made pumpkin flavored and with pumpkin puree because it is pumpkin season. Of course, I was inspired by this song. Another bake, another take, another cookie to make. We're gonna do it, we're gonna stir it, we're making whoopie pies. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your cookie sheet ready. Either put a piece of parchment down or grease it well. Butter, oil, brown sugar, molasses, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. Beat together until it is smooth. Beat in 1 egg at a time. Add in your pumpkin. Stir in the pumpkin. Add flour in 2 additions. Using a 2-inch scoop, go ahead and make your mounds of cookie dough, about 2 inches apart. Into the oven for 16 to 18 minutes until they feel firm and you're able to press down on them and it holds a little bit of an indentation. Cream cheese, butter, beat until smooth. Confectioner sugar and add a little bit at a time. Vanilla. Time's up. Let's check those cookies. All right. We're going to check this tray where they definitely are overflowing onto each other, but look, I can put an indent in and it's kind of staying, so they're perfect. So let's take them out. Don't do like me. This is one of those lessons. Make sure that your cookies are spaced farther apart. But let them cool completely. I'm going to move them to a wire rack and then we can assemble the cookies together. Reality check and the truth in baking and what I learned today. This cookie is pretty darn perfect, and that's what you're going to see on camera most of the time. For all bakers out there, their pies, their cakes, their breads are picture perfect. The reality is this happens too. In fact, this happened to me just today. So the cookies were in the oven on the convection setting, and I think just certain areas got a little bit more heat than others. Perhaps it wasn't mixed as well here. Does this cookie still taste great? Yes, it does. That's why I always say it's always about the taste. It's all in the taste. Nothing else matters. It's still a great cookie, just doesn't look perfect. All right, we're going to put 2 tablespoons worth of filling in each cookie, and I want to see what that looks like. So it's that much. Go ahead and take it out just so that I can kind of see it on this spatula. It's about that much. Let's go ahead and spread it on. This is the 2 tablespoons. Fabulous. So it's going to go to the edges. And we top it with another cookie. And there we have our whoopie pie. Look at this great looking whoopie pie. This looks fantastic. And it smells pumpkin-y bread-like, but it's got that cream cheese and butter, sugar, frosting, icing in the middle. So let's give it a taste all together. This is a great fall take on a traditional whoopie pie. because you're getting that banana breadish, pumpkin breadish flavor, but then you get that filling kind of coming through, which is just super delicious. It's great all together. It's a great alternative to chocolate. If I can make these pumpkin whoopie pies, mistakes and all, for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my links on Amazon for the products I've used in this video. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.